Finding your TradeStation account is simple and can be done through a few steps. Check your email. After opening your TradeStation account, you will receive an account confirmation email containing your account number and details about how to access the platform. Search your inbox for emails from TradeStation if you can't remember your login details. Log into the platform. Go to the TradeStation website or app. Visit TradeStation.com or open the TradeStation mobile app. Enter your credentials. Use your username and password to log in. If you forget your credentials, use the Forgot Password or Forgot Username options to recover them. Check account information. Once logged in, navigate to the account center within the platform. Your account number and other details will be prominently displayed in your account overview section. In the mobile app, you can find your account details under the Accounts tab, where it lists all associated accounts, balances, and recent activities. Contact support. If you're still having trouble locating your account, you can reach out to TradeStation customer support via phone or live chat for assistance.